something a little new today. Turkish lamp making at the Epic Theater. Let's go. Entering, you really don't know what to expect relative to making your own lamp. I will say from the very beginning, they have some nice music playing. They greet you at the door. You select your lamp that you chose to make, and they have the different styles that you're able to choose online. I chose the moon lamp. I really like that design, and I hope to bring some great details to it. And as you can see here, when you go to your table, you have all the different colors and assortments of beads, as well as the different glass pieces that you can use to make you what they call the centerpiece. And I was really excited. I already knew the color scheme that I wanted to use, and thankfully they had those available. Now, if you know me at all, you know I actually had some of my favorite color glass beads already in a bag that I brought with me just in case. But they did happen to have the colors that I like. They give you a box that actually has the lamp that you selected. It has the globe. It has some plaster that we'll use later once it dries, some glue, some different pieces to put your glass beads in. That's a little spatula for the plaster later, and then that's to wipe a sponge to wipe the plaster off. So everything is together in a nice little box from the base. Again, I chose the moon base, but then also the globe and the tools that you'll use, and it's really all packaged well. So kudos to Art Masterclass for putting together a very user-friendly experience. And coming into this DIY, having no experience at all, just really loving Turkish lamps, I will say, Art Masterclass, you did a great job. Now, getting started, I did use the glove at first, but honestly, it kind of got in the way because I wasn't as neat, I guess, as some would be with this being my first time. So glue got onto the glove, and then it was sticking to things. So I ultimately took the glove off towards the end. Now, the pieces you see here, I brought with me. Again, I had a couple things I wanted to add. And they have some examples set up at the table, and here you can see some of the pricing if you want to buy one that's already done. That's $5.49 for the 5-piece floor lamp. This is the moon lamp that I made. And now you have the table lamp kit, $129, and they give you the different colors and give you some suggestions. So this is a place where you can look at some that are already made. The candle holders are $99. Then we have $4.69, again, another floor lamp. I think this one has three globes. And then we also have the Aladdin lamp, which is cute, and that was a popular favorite. The Aladdin lamp is $139, and then the mini table lamp is $109. And as you'll see, the globe there is smaller. And this is the small swan lamp. And it was a popular one as well. And then again, here's that $5.49 for the 5-globe floor lamp. So lots of examples for you to take a look at if you wanted to get some ideas. You're not really sure how you want to bring it together. But then also looking at the color arrangements, they encourage you to use a lot of colors. Now, I wanted to use 2 primary colors, the aquamarine color and then a burnt orange color. So I started here by making some designs with the pieces I brought in. I just want to give you a chance to catch the vibe when you're building your lamp and you hear the music in the background. Everyone's busy working. It's a really relaxed vibe. And sure, could you do some of this yourself or whatever? Yeah, but is it worth the price to me? I think it is. They're going to serve tea here in a minute. And you have a group environment for those that come as a group or with a friend. And then if you just want to do like I do, as you know, come solo, you can do that as well. So check them out if this is something you think you like. Art Masterclass. They also bring you a nice cup of Turkish tea. And he said also they bring a little treat as well. So you have a little tea with the music going. As I said, the vibe was really nice. And this is more of the finished product. As I had a chance, I'm still trying to fill in some of the gaps with the beads here, but I wanted to see how it would show up, because I know the two applique pieces that I put in, they are not translucent. So I wanted to see how they'll look, and I'm loving how that's showing up based on what I was looking for. And so I'm good to go. I'll be letting this dry, and of course putting in a few more glass beads to fill in some of the spots. Not too worried about it though, because we'll put on that last layer of plaster, which will fill in any of the gaps that you have. So overall, I really liked it. I do it again. Here's my moon lamp, and looking forward to having a lot of enjoyment with it, but then also sharing it with some others who may want to go back and do this as a group. So here it is at home in its place on my dresser. If you're interested, I really recommend it.